Welcome to another video from Reports Your Way. In this video, we'll look at a Dynamics NAV report showing one technique for filtering based on data in a separate table than the one from which we are gathering data. In this example, we want to show all GL transactions that were created during a specific period, regardless of when the transaction was posted. Our challenge is, if we build this report from only the GL entry table in Dynamics NAV, that table includes the posting date, but not the date when the transaction was created. We have to look elsewhere for that information. Fortunately, NAV's GL register table lists the creation date for each GL entry number. Let's look at how we can use that. On our options sheet, we can specify the ending date for our desired date range, and the number of days we want to count backwards to determine our range. In our case, we'll have our report use a full 30 days. Moving to the report sheet. First, we'll bring the values over from the options sheet. Then, we'll use that data to compute the starting date for the report, and then use JetReport's NP date filter function to correctly format the entire date range. Next, we need to use Jet's NL Filter function to gather a virtual list of all the GL entry numbers that were created during our time period. We don't want to display these yet. We just need them available for when we draw information from the GL entry table. For the main part of our report, we are simply going to use JetReport's record key technique, where the field parameter of our NL rows function is left blank, to draw out GL entry records for every transaction that was identified by the NL filter function. Note that we are going to show the records in order of their posting date. We can then apply Jet's NF function to extract the specific fields we want from each record. In this case, the posting date, the GL account number, and the amount of the transaction. Note that even though the entry number field is what we are using to control which records are returned from our database, there is no reason to display that field if we don't need it. When we run the report, we see that the appropriate transaction details are listed and are in order of posting date. If we wanted to only show those transactions where the amount was over a specific threshold, or wanted to sort by the GL account number or amount, that would be a very simple change. We hope that you find this filtering technique useful, and we hope you will view the other videos in our YouTube channel. Until next time, thank you for watching.